Hello, this is Cispia. I'm going to show you how to make a low, wobbly, kind of 90s sounding bass sound, like you might hear in jungle and rave. It's the easiest sound in the world. It's just two sine waves, detuned to semitone apart like this, and it sounds like this. You can, of course, from there experiment with distortion and compression to help fatten it up, but it doesn't need it. And with the drums, it sounds like this. Really easy, really effective. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, check out my original music, and follow me on my socials. Thanks.